Hi, this is a brand new management system for cutting tools, Smart B Box. You must be very curious about how this works and what's the difference. Let me show you. When an operator wants to borrow a tool, just click Borrow. You can log in with Face ID, password, and IC card. Our customer mostly used Face ID because it's really convenient and fast. Then, choose the machine you're going to work on. Choose the work order. If you don't have a work order, just click Skip. After choosing a work order, the system will only show you the tools that are suitable for this work order. You will no longer get the wrong cutting tools. Of course, if you want to get other tools, just click Other Tools. You can choose all tools inside this Smart B box. Now, let's get our tools. I need 3 different types of tools. Type 1, add to cart. Type 2, add to cart. And type 3. Then confirm the information. Oops, type 2, I need 2 pieces. Confirm. Our Smart B box will give the tools you need in one time. When it's finished, get your tools from here. Tool borrowing becomes easy and fast. When the operator finishes using the tool, each tool has to be returned to the Smart B box. Even the tools are broken. Firstly, log in. Then, it shows the list of tools borrowed by me but haven't returned yet. An administrator can set a limit for the operator. For example, I can only borrow 10 tools without return in total. When I reach the limit, I cannot borrow any tool unless I return. Now, I choose the tool I want to return. These 3 tools. Then, I need to tell the system the status of the tools. If these tools can be used after regrinding, choose grinding. If these tools cannot be used anymore, choose scrapping. You can choose the reason of scrapping. This reason is customized by administrator. Click Confirm. The system tells you the box is open. Come this way. These are the boxes for returning. I just put my cutting tools inside. Then, finished. Oops, I cannot move on to the next step. I must have forgotten to close the door. Close it. Done. Each tool has to be returned. Cutting tools are no longer lost and waste. Smart B box save your cost. Now, each tool is inside the returning box. An administrator comes to collect and check out the returning tools. Different color means different status. Red for scrapping, yellow for regrinding. Let's check one scrapping box. Open the door. Take all the tools inside the returning box. There are 2 tools inside the returning box. Is it the same in the system? Nope. This one is missing. Who had lost it? Check here. I gotcha. Tag as quantity mismatch. Note lost. Confirm. This one isn't the same type as the system recorded, so I tag type mismatch. And the last pieces. The returner tagged as scrapping, but I find this cutting tool can be used after regrinding, so I tag waste. After the confirmation, who borrowed the most, who breaks the most, who wastes the most, all the answer is in the system. This cabinet can contain 80 types, 20 pieces for a lane, 1,600 pieces in total. If this is not enough for you, you can add 5 extend cabinet. One more thing, maybe you want to ask me, how can I put longer and bigger tools? 2 solutions. 1, you can remove one level for the longer and bigger tools. Second, you can put the longer and bigger tools in the returning box for borrowing. Amazing, isn't it? Contact me now.